Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for November 15th to the 27th. This is pretty much what the patterns forecast will look like for the period for 15th to 19th. We still have very strong positive height anomalies here over Alaska and the Yukon territories. This pumps up, this ridge pumps up, and then result downstream will be a deep trough across the east central U.S. And we also have a trough here south of the Aleutians. Temperatures are forecast to be 10 or more degrees below normal, and I'm going to show you this with the temperature anomalies during this period. You can see the greatest departures from normal are forecast to be across this region of the nation about 20 degrees below normal to 15 to 5. And as we go forward into time, we're going to go towards the end of the period, and you can still see we have anomalies of about 5 to 15 degrees below normal across the east central U.S. This is the 19th. This is the Canadian ensembles, and then we're looking at the GFS, and last but not least, the European deterministics, all shown below normal temperatures across east central U.S., really from the front range of the Rockies to the east coast. And the opposite would be across California and portions of the Southwest, where temperatures would be about 5 to 10 degrees above normal. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for November 18th to the 22nd. Here we are at the 18th. The models and ensembles are indicating a very strong positive height anomalies persisting across this region. We still have a deep trough near the Aleutians and a broad deep trough here across the east central U.S. During this period, the PNA is forecast to be positive, supporting this ridge, and the NAO is forecast to be negative, which will allow cold air to sink into the east central U.S. during this time frame. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting waiting for the image to come up. Above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures across much of this region. And for precipitation, I'm forecasting below normal precipitation here. Now for the period for November 23rd to the 22nd. Here we are at the 23rd, and the models in some are forecasting some de-amplification, but nevertheless we're keeping a ridge across western North America and a trough across eastern North America. And you can see it here, but we also have our negative height anomalies near the Aleutians. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures from the Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast. And for precipitation, forecasting above normal precipitation for the Northwest and below normal precipitation here. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for November 15th to the 27th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.